Yeah. Maybe it's the lies I told you, but that's not me, and that's the old you. Why can't you see that people love you? You got a reason to breathe, a reason to be, and don't you ever forget you got me. I'll be there to catch you, so don't worry about falling. You was there to pick me up when I was the one crawling. So I owe you one, no I owe you 1,000. All the ups and downs, you went through the mountains. I couldn't do that, I just gave up. You gave way too much, you just broke down and wrote down your own blood. The soul was broke, but on the outside you acted like it was a joke. Think you couldn't die, but I could tell you were getting buried alive. Started digging, I began screaming your name, but you wouldn't listen. And every single sign you kept on missing. So grab my hands, open your eyes. I'm here till the day you die. I got you, I'ma hold you tight. I got you, I'ma make it right. I got you, I can't let you die. I got you, look at the light. I got you. Now I know things have gotten insane. I just messed up and we both lost the way. But I found my way back, but you didn't grab my hands and you're still gone. I need you. Everything you said, I believed you. So I'm going back to lead you. It's kinda ironic. You saved me. Now I gotta find you to make things clearer. Cause I hate what I see in the mirror. I don't recognize us. I've been split in half and it's way too much. I don't understand what happened. It happened too fast. My upper half, my past, please come back. I got you, I'll hold you tight. I got you, I'ma make it right. I got you, I can't let you die. I got you, look at the light. I got you, I got you. And this letter to me. Yeah, I lost me.